Section 2 of IPC. So on this the question may be asked that write a short note on the jurisdiction of IPC. So in this section 2 it provides the code which applies to, means on whom the code this applies. It applies to every person irrespective of its nationality, caste, color, status or creed, and that the offense which is committed within India, for that this code will apply. The term every person means the person must be citizen or he may not be citizen. Then also if that offense has been committed within India, then that person will be held liable. It also applies to association or a body of person, whether it is incorporated or not. And here the person cannot take the plea of ignorance of a law, means that he was not aware of such laws. Such plea cannot be taken. That person will be held liable for that offense. So next is the intra-territorial operation of the code. Intra-territorial operation of the code means it makes the code applicable to every person, whether the foreigner or not, who commits an offense in India. Thus the offense committed on Indian soil are punishable under the IPC. The laws are also applicable for the offense which are committed on water and river. Means intra-territorial operation means it applies to every person, whether he is a citizen of India or a foreigner, he will be tried under this IPC if that person has committed the offense within the India or on the soil of Indian soil, means on the Indian land, and it is applicable for the offense which are committed on the water and river. So in this intra-territorial operation of the code, it is to be noted that the entire stretch of a water within the 12 miles of a land falls within the territorial jurisdiction of that land. Means example, so the offense committed within the belt of a 12 miles in the sea near Mumbai, means from the Mumbai to up till to the 12 miles, it have the jurisdiction of the India, means will be cognizable by an appropriate court in Mumbai. Means the offense which are committed within India or on the river or on the water, for that the person will be tried under IPC. And from the water means it is to be noted that the entire stretch of water within the 12 miles of the land falls within the jurisdiction of that land. Therefore the offense committed on the high seas but within the 12 miles from the coast of the land, means from the coast of the land to up till the 12 miles, it has the jurisdiction of India and is punishable under this code. Means for example, if place is Mumbai, so from Mumbai to up till the 12 miles, if the offense has been committed, then the appropriate court in the Mumbai will take action against that person. This is the intra-territorial operation of the code.